Recently, I was started book reading, and the first book that I choose, or my journey of book reading, is started from the book of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Very well then. Hello, Falcons. Because it's Lord Order or His Divine Will. I heard many times that this book, Bhagavad Gita, has contained every solution of problems in this world. So straightly I choose it without any doubt and start reading it. And also I'm very curious to read it. While reading, honestly I'm saying that when I was started reading this, I was able to relate each and every situation, and also each and every time I found one solution, and that solution is hidden inside the name of Lord Krishna and his divine words. If we started following this book words, then there is no such reason to puzzle inside this materialistic problems of word or words. And after continue reading this book, I land on a topic that I liked. Yeah, there is every word is pure, but after all I like to choose to share words from chapter 3 verse 21. For those who like to build leadership, we know that Lord Krishna gives answers of Prince Arjun questions, of course not only him, through which he gave it to all living kind. As we know, Prince was denied for war because of relationship bond, but Lord explains him truth. There is no such thing like relationship, and so on. Here, Sri Krishna puts forward yet another argument to Arjun, knowing very well that Arjun always put others first before himself. Sri Krishna said that whosoever looked up to Arjun as a role model would also take to this path which Arjun followed. So, let's see these powerful words from verse 21. And the verse is like, whatever an ideal person does, so do other people. Whatever standard he sets, all the world pursues. And the verse explanation, people in general always require a leader who can teach the public by practical behavior. A leader cannot teach the public to stop smoking if he himself smokes. Lord Chaitanya said that a teacher should behave properly even before he begins teaching. One who teaches in that way is called Acharya or the ideal teacher. Therefore, a teacher must follow the principles of scriptures to reach the common man. The teacher cannot manufacture rules against the principle of revealed scriptures. The revealed scriptures like Manu Samhita and similar others are considered the standard books to be followed by human society. Thus, the leader's teaching should be based on the principles of the standard rules as they are practiced by the great teachers. The Srimad Bhagavat also affirms that one should follow the footsteps of great devotees, and that is the way of progress on the path of spiritual realization. The king or the executive head of state, the father and the school teacher are all considered to be natural leaders of the innocent people in general. All such leaders have a great responsibility to their dependents. Therefore, they must be conversant with standard books of moral and spiritual quotes. So, basically here in this video you listened the words from Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, who teaches to build a strong positive leadership by following the footsteps of great devotees or the leaders like Acharya Chanakya, and there was many others great ones too. You will be find great ones too very soon. It's like a natural phenomenon. So that's it for this video. Soon I will drop new video on new topic. Bye.